the information we're getting from Altoona is that the gun appears to be a ghost gun, may have been made on a 3D printer, the capability of firing a 9mm round. Obviously, that will come out during our ballistics testing.
Well, we hope so. A Fox News alert, police probably having trouble tracing the gun used to murder the United Healthcare CEO as the suspect is arrested with a ghost gun that could be made at home with a 3D printer. Kurt, the cyber guy, knows all about this. He was just telling, Kurt, repeat for our audience those statistics you just gave me during the commercial about ghost guns.
Hey, good morning to you. Yeah, 45,000 related crimes reported by law enforcement agencies to the ATF from the years 2016 to 2021. And of those, 692 were cases involving homicide or homicide attempts.
Wow.
That's a pretty big number of guns that, and what is a ghost gun? That came up at the dinner table last night. It's a gun that is either made by a kit that you get online or that you self-print at home that has no way of being traced, hence a ghost gun.
Exactly. And this guy would know how to do it. He was at the University of Pennsylvania. He studied computer science. He probably knew all about that stuff, although you can find it online as well. Meanwhile, real quickly, we've got to talk to you about these drones. I live in New Jersey. I live in Bergen County, and they are buzzing overhead all the time. The scary part, though, is when they stop. They just kind of hover for a little while. Listen to the governor, what he had to say about this.
These are apparently very, as I understand it, very sophisticated. The minute you get eyes on them, they go dark. And, you know, we're obviously most concerned about sensitive targets and sensitive critical infrastructure. So we've got military assets, we've got utility assets, we've got the president-elect's one of his homes here. This is something we're taking deadly seriously.
So, Kurt, what do you make of the fact that nobody officially has said, oh, it's so-and-so running the drones?
Yeah, big mystery here, but it's about to get solved, I have a feeling. But here's what we could do. We can rule out consumer drones, the little ones you and I can buy online and then get soaring above people's houses. Probably not that kind, because reports say that these are a lot larger. So what could that then narrow it down to? Is it surveillance? Is it a foreign entity trying to surveil parts of the U.S.? Or could it be one of these consumer-related drones from, say, a company that wants to deliver packages or deliver food to somebody's house, and they're testing them out? Why the lights go out is unusual, though. But what we do know is some of those technologies they're about to deploy to put an end to this drone mystery are high-resolution radars that the federal government military has in their possession that can really identify where these larger drones start off, who's got command of them. RF scanners also play a role here. They can tell what the identity of the drone is and its location. They'll even use optical sensors that provide visual identity of the drone to find out if they've got a payload on it. And then as of like a year ago, remote ID was required by the FAA for drones under 55 pounds that have to transmit their identification and location information. They'll probably be using a lot of these technologies because there are a lot of people like you that are saying, what in the world is over my house? Right?
Exactly. And here's the thing. Let's say it is some sort of a delivery company, and they're essentially practicing to make sure it works. They don't want to reveal the name of the delivery company or who they would be delivering for, because then it's like, I can't believe that brand X is flying over my house in the middle of the night.
True, and you may not buy something from them, because I will tell you, it's a precursor to what's coming throughout the country. The one day, very soon, skies above our houses that we thought were quiet, that we would hear birds chirp from, will be zinging with drones from delivery services and all sorts of resources. By the way, we're tracking a story. I'm getting inundated with email about people with the whole telecom, the wireless phone invasion of Chinese hackers, and how you can protect your data. I know you get the newsletter. We'll have complete info there at cyberguy.com.
I check out cyberguy.com all the time. CyberGuy, thank you very much.